Hey, Science Express crew! Welcome back to another exciting journey into the world of science. Today we're diving into a topic that affects all of us, every single day, no matter where we live on this beautiful planet. Have you ever wondered why we have different seasons on Earth? It's a question that might seem simple at first, but the answer is a fascinating blend of astronomy, physics, and geography. Buckle up, because I'm about to break it down for you. We're going to explore the mechanics behind the changing seasons and uncover the science that makes it all possible. So let's start with the basics. Our planet Earth is a part of the solar system, orbiting around the sun. But did you know that this orbit isn't a perfect circle? It's actually an ellipse, which means sometimes we're a bit closer to the sun and sometimes a bit farther away. Earth orbits around the sun, but it's not a straightforward path. This elliptical orbit plays a role, but it's not the main reason we have seasons. The real star of the show is Earth's tilt. Earth is tilted on its axis at about 23.5 degrees. This tilt is crucial because it affects how sunlight hits different parts of the planet throughout the year. This tilt is the key reason we experience seasons. Without it, we wouldn't have the variety of climates and weather patterns that make our world so diverse and interesting. Imagine Earth as a spinning top. Just like a top wobbles as it spins, Earth maintains its tilt as it orbits the sun. This wobble is what creates the changing seasons. As it orbits the sun, different parts tilt towards or away from the sun at different times of the year. This means that the amount of sunlight each hemisphere receives changes, leading to the seasons we know and love. When the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, it gets more direct sunlight, leading to summer. The days are longer, the weather is warmer, and it's the perfect time for outdoor activities. Meanwhile, the southern hemisphere is tilted away, getting less sunlight, which means winter. The days are shorter, the temperatures drop, and it's time to bundle up and enjoy the winter wonderland. 6 months later, the situation flips. Now the southern hemisphere enjoys summer while the northern hemisphere experiences winter. This constant shift is what keeps our planet dynamic and ever-changing. Now you might be thinking, what about places near the equator? Great question. These regions have a unique experience when it comes to seasons. These regions experience less variation in sunlight because they're closer to the equator, where the sun's rays are more consistent year-round. This means they don't have the typical 4 seasons like we do. Instead, they have wet and dry seasons. The wet season brings heavy rainfall and lush landscapes, while the dry season is characterized by less rain and drier conditions. And then there are the poles. The Arctic and Antarctic regions have some of the most extreme seasonal changes on Earth. The Arctic and Antarctic regions experience extreme seasons. During their respective summers, they get 24 hours of daylight for months on end, and in winter, complete darkness. Crazy, right? During their respective summers, they get 24 hours of daylight for months on end, and in winter, complete darkness. This phenomenon is known as the midnight sun and polar night. So why does this matter? Understanding the reasons behind the changing seasons helps us appreciate the complexity and beauty of our planet. Well, the changing seasons affect everything from the weather to ecosystems and even our daily lives. Plants and animals have adapted to these changes in incredible ways, ensuring their survival and thriving in different conditions. Agriculture, holidays, and school schedules, all influenced by Earth's tilt and orbit. Pretty cool, huh? Farmers rely on the seasons to plant and harvest crops, and many of our favorite holidays are tied to seasonal changes. So next time you notice the leaves changing color or feel that first chill of winter, you'll know it's all thanks to our tilted planet. It's a reminder of the intricate dance between Earth and the sun that shapes our world. Alright, Science Express crew, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more awesome science facts, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay curious and keep exploring. See you in the next one. Until then, keep wondering and keep discovering the wonders of science.